Every product needs to be finished by hand because of details.
We are located in a small Slovenian village called Šentjošt.
We are old and now in life. Take some time to ease your mind.
Our grandpa started this company and he made the workshop.
And then my uncle started learning from him. My co-owner and cousin, he's been in this workshop for all his life. I just helped around sometimes, but I actually studied architecture. In college I applied to this Italian competition called Wonderwood, and I was chosen to be the 3 best products with the Hangy.
And then came Jean with his idea of Hangy.
And now, after 2-3 years, here we are.
Show me life, show me love. Hey.
Hangy Maxi is a whole entryway solution. You have all the pieces of furniture you can have in your entryway, so hangers, shelves, sitting area, something to put your shoes on, in one product. And you can open it and close it according to your needs. We also want to be technological because the world is moving that way, so the NFC chip was actually just the first thing we did. And as it's intended for the entryways, it was also intended for maybe hotels or restaurants. So with the NFC, you can have like your menu, your house rules, your check-in, check-out time. At home, you can have your Wi-Fi.
And the water was a mirror, saw the morning come.
As a company, we try to be as sustainable as possible. All the bigger products we do, the leftovers we use for the smaller products, and then those leftovers we use for the smaller products, and then also the sawdust that is left over, we vacuum it through our ventilation system, and it goes directly to the machine that compresses it together to make pellets for firewood.
We use local Slovenian wood and we try to use all of wood and nothing throw away.